Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Last week we Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Last time we have seen what a circle truly is. So today we'll see what are the different parts in a circle. So this is a circle. Last time we have learned that it has a center and the distance from this center to any point on the circle is called as radius, and the distance between and the length of a line passing through the center and touching two points on the circle, and the length of a line, and if a straight line passes through the center of the circle and touches two points on the circle like this way, it is called as diameter of the circle. So now we will see other parts of the circle. If a line is touching two points in a circle anywhere, need not be the center, either this way or this thing or anything, this one, all these are called as chords. All these are called as chords. This straight line is chord of a circle. It divides the circle into two parts. So this curvature and this curvature. So this curvature is smaller than this one. So this is called as, this chord divides the circle into two parts. There is one arc here. This chord divides the circle into two parts. So this curvature here, we'll call it as arc. This is arc of a circle. Since this is smaller than this curvature, we call it this as minor arc. We call this curvature as major arc. The, the area between this arc and chord, we call it as segment. Since this area is smaller, we call it as minor segment, and this area is huge. We call it as major segment. And if you see a pizza, a pizza is cut into this, and in a circle, in a circle, if you cut it along the radius, how does this look? How does this portion look? This looks like a pizza, right? So each slice of a pizza, if you see, there is an arc, this is the radius, and one more radius. This each piece, each this each slice, we call it as sector. So if we have a circle and we are dividing it with two radii and one arc, then this we call it as sector. Since it is smaller, we call it as minor sector, and since this is bigger in area, we call it as major sector. And if to this circle, when a line touches a circle at only a single point, this line is touching the circle at only this point, then it is called tangent. This line is called as tangent to a circle. There can be many tangents. This circle has infinite points, so there can be infinite tangents at each point. There can be infinite tangents to a circle. So, for suppose we have a circle, there can be tangent here. There can be tangent here in this way, or here in this way, or here in this way, or here in this way. There can there can be many tangents to a circle. Yes, so we'll just recall now what we have seen. So a circle has chord, arc, segment, sector, tangent. Yes, so these are the major parts of a circle. So there is a small task for you. What is the longest chord in a circle? Do let us know in the comments. If you think the video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep on coming back. Happy learning.